don't say anything.
And let's sleeping frog.
So scary. I surprised when I saw the froggy jumping on my feet and make me like that. Oh, see? Not too near.
Yes, it was finding an insect.
The frog is finding mosquitoes.
Yes, to eat. But
Yeah. And the snail is finding leaves.
oh, okay, leaves.
And
And what kind of leaves? Yeah.
kamote tops.
Yeah.
Look at my plants. No more leaves na because the
That's leafy frog.
the caterpillar eat all of it.
Oh, what is your frog?
Don't touch the froggy. That's dangerous.
I'll hold it. I'll be the pet of the
Wait,
king.
let's go na.
Bye-bye.
Yeah,
No.
snail.
And where's that nail? That frog? Why it's so large? And all
That is American frog. That's not food for eating.
Ay! Papabigay ko ito ng America!
Why?
This America frog, yan papabigay ko doon. At papasell ko sa may America.
Hindi nila bibilhin yon kasi yun yung name ng frog. That is the species. Name American frog because it's a bullfrog. It's a big tummy and a big mouth and a loud voice.
And what's that voice?
It's coca, 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 coca.
That's
Ganun.
green! That's not the sound. That sound is this.
That's not a frog sound.
But this is not a boy sound. This is a Dakalima sound. So Dakalima.
So scary. I don't like that anymore.
Ganon. Oo, no. Bisahin nila yung boy.
Come on, let's go, guys.
Bye-bye naman sa frog. Bye-bye, frog! Nagulat ka ba?
Opo, I'm so very surprised. Gidi ka muna, let's go na.
I have the America frog.
Let it go.
Why is America frog is so cute?
I don't like the froggy. It makes me scared and surprised.
How about you kiss the frog?
Hey, wait.
How about you kiss a blue frog? Yeah, you a new frog. It's called that a blue frog. Nanay.
How did you know?
It's like in the forest.
I don't like
19 years as a nanay. Do you know what's the name of that blue frog? It's my name. Blue frog. Bye.
I heard Kitty's voice.
Ay, dito skinny po sa labas.
Kitty! That is a CCTV camera. Kitty, go home na. Yeah, you make bye-bye to the froggy.
Bye-bye, frog. Bye-bye.
Go to sleep na yung froggy. Huh? Don't bother. The frog will go to sleep. Quiet ka na.
I hear your voice.
You hear my voice? Are you sure? Okay, I will be quiet.